Knockout, KO. A knockout happens when a fighter is hit with a strike powerful enough to immediately shut them down. Most knockouts come from a clean shot to the head, causing the fighter to lose consciousness on the spot. Once this happens, the referee ends the fight instantly. Technical knockout, TKO. A technical knockout is called when a fighter is still awake but clearly cannot protect themselves. This usually occurs when a fighter absorbs continuous unanswered punches. They are severely rocked or injured. Continuing the fight would be unsafe. In these moments, the referee stops the action. UFC ringside doctors also have the authority to stop a fight if a fighter's health is at risk. Submission. A submission finish happens when a fighter uses grappling techniques like chokes or joint locks to force their opponent to quit. This type of finish highlights skill, leverage, and technique. A submission ends in one of two ways. The opponent taps, admitting defeat, or the opponent passes out from a choke and the referee steps in. This type of finish highlights skill, leverage, and technique. Judge's decision. When a fight reaches the final bell with no stoppage, the outcome is decided by the judges. Each judge scores the fight round by round, leading to different results. Unanimous decision, where all three judges agree on the winner. Split decision, where two judges choose one fighter while the third chooses the other. Decisions usually happen in closely contested fights. Disqualification, DQ. A fighter can lose by disqualification if they violate the rules, either repeatedly or in a serious way. Examples of fouls include eye poking, striking the groin, hitting the back of the head, holding the fence, or grabbing an opponent's gloves or shorts. One major illegal action or multiple fouls can result in an automatic loss. Draw. A draw is declared when the judges are unable to determine a winner, which doesn't happen often. For instance, one judge favors fighter A, another judge favors fighter B, the third judge scores the fight evenly. When this happens, the bout is ruled a draw. No contest, NC. A no contest means the fight does not count and is removed from both fighters' records. This outcome can occur when an unintentional foul causes a serious injury, the fight is stopped early due to circumstances outside the fighter's control, or a fighter later fails a drug test. A well-known example is the John Jones vs. Daniel Cormier fight in 2016, which was overturned to a no contest after a failed USADA test.